Modern factories are built for speed, accuracy, and efficiency. Unlike old factories that relied mostly on human labor, today's production facilities are powered by automation and intelligent machines that operate continuously. The manufacturing process begins with raw materials. These materials are delivered in bulk and inspected carefully. Quality control teams and automated sensors ensure that only approved materials enter the production line. This early inspection prevents defects later in the process. Once approved, materials move into automated production systems. Machines cut, mold, heat, or shape components with extreme precision. Every movement is programmed to perform the same task repeatedly without variation. Robotic arms handle most assembly work. They place components together, tighten parts, and move products between stations. These robots work faster than humans and reduce the chance of error. Sensors and cameras monitor the production line in real time. Artificial intelligence systems analyze data to detect faults instantly. If a defect is found, the system removes the product automatically. Modern factories also focus on efficiency and sustainability. Energy usage is monitored closely, and waste materials are recycled whenever possible. Smart systems adjust power consumption to reduce costs and environmental impact. After assembly, products go through testing. Machines test durability, performance, and safety. Only products that meet strict standards move forward. Packaging is fully automated. Products are wrapped, boxed, labeled, and prepared for shipping without human contact. Barcode systems track every item for logistics and inventory control. Finally, finished products are transported to warehouses and shipped worldwide. Advanced logistics software ensures fast and accurate delivery. Modern factories represent the future of manufacturing. Automation, precision, and technology allow companies to produce millions of products efficiently while maintaining high quality.